Please subscribe for more such detailed and informative videos.
We reached Puducherry via the Puducherry Weekly Express at around 7:15 am. Without further delay, we walked straight to the hotel. On our way, we spotted this beautiful peacock on a branch of a tall tree. Since it was early, the place was calm and we enjoyed our morning walk. The details of this hotel is provided in the description. This hotel was near to French Town, only a walk away. Since the check-in time was 12 pm, we just dropped our luggage and went to book a rental scooty. Next, we headed straight to Aurobindo Ashram. This ashram is famous for its practice of integral yoga. Sri Aurobindo Ashram mainly focuses on teachings and practices of Sri Aurobindo. You need to switch off your phones before entering the ashram as photography is strictly prohibited inside. So before entering, you need to also remove your shoes in this place and then wash your feet, and then only you can enter the ashram. By the time we completed exploring the ashram, our stomach was very hungry, so we straight headed to Coromandel Cafe. In between, I saw small shops where I purchased a hat. A detailed video about the cafes and restaurants we visited in Pondicherry is there in our channel. This was an ideal spot for breakfast or brunch or lunch. So you can visit. It has aesthetic environment, perfect to visit with family and friends. Next, with Scooty, we headed to Serenity Beach. This beach is quite far away from the main town, so it took almost 30 minutes to reach there via Scooty. This beach is beautiful and is mainly famous for surfing and other water sports. This beach is also famous for some exciting nightlife, especially during special events like Christmas or New Year. I enjoyed the people surfing there with the help of trained surfers. While enjoying the sound of the waves, I did my part of the photography. This beach was overall very calm and had very less crowd. Since the weather was cloudy, the view was amazing. There are also few hotels and homestays near this beach. There are quite a few local surf schools that provide proper training for surfing. Not only did I do my photography but also collected shells from the shore. This beach also had an area filled with rocks where people can spend their leisure time or enjoy a weekend. I was so excited to do the surfing, but sadly I had not come prepared for it at all. We took a stroll on the beach for some time and then headed outside. As we were walking outside, we spotted few shops and eateries that sold sunglasses, hats, and many more stuffs. So you can also enjoy their local food as you walk on the beach. On the beach, there were few fishes and corals which were dead and might have come through the high tide. Next, for lunch, we went to Hotel Kamatchi and had a South Indian lunch. This was mainly a Tamil thali, and we have a separate video of cafes and restaurants. Next, after lunch, we wanted some sweet cravings, so we went to this gelato factory. This was a cozy place and you could have enjoyed, relaxed, and had a bite of your ice cream. This lady here will give you customized products based on your choice, and they also have summer special menu. After relaxing for some time, we headed straight to Eden Beach. Taking a bite of the orange stick, we went to explore. Eden Beach is a must-visit beach as it is the only blue flag beach in Pondicherry. It had a lot of eateries and is famous for various adventure activities in here. This beach, unlike other beach, was very much well maintained. It also had its backwaters where zorbing, boating, and other activities were going on. So we went straight to the main area of the Eden Beach. They had properly maintained washrooms and changing area, so if you're wishing to take a bath in this beach, there is no issue and nothing to worry about. I would suggest the best time to visit this beach was just before sunset so that you can take this amazing and breathtaking view. This beach also features safe swimming area, open gym and also kids play area. So if you want to burn some calories, go for the open gym. Haha. Meanwhile, I enjoyed the cold water from the incoming waves that washed my feet. So enjoy with me. Next, we headed to the promenade walk. So we were also hungry by then and we went straight to this cafe called Le Cafe. As we sipped some of the coffee, we enjoyed the sound of the waves. So there was this French War memorial as we walked and also few other places that I will show you while we walk on the way. There was also this local flea market that sold toys, balloons and other things. This place is very lively, perfect for an evening or a night walk. So here was the Mahatma Gandhi statue. As you walk by the Mahatma Gandhi statue, you will also come across the tribute wall and the open amphitheater. This amphitheater holds few cultural programs now and then. So there was some amount of confetti that might have been there because of some cultural program. So we also spotted this lighthouse on our way.